That means I just forgot. Okay, it means
What's the news?
Yes, what's the news? And today's news is Umoja, meaning unity. We got this packet that we're going to be reading from Nakanda. You can find it at www.nfrank.com. Kwanzaa is a celebration of African American unity and ancestry that focuses on heritage, community, justice, and nature. Beginning on December 26th and ending on January 1st. The 7 days of Kwanzaa each focus on individual principles that are important to the African American community. All of the principles together are called Ingusaba.
Kwanzaa is a holiday that lasts for 7 days. It honors Africans' cultures or ideas in many ways. Some families may display flags that are black, red, and green. 7 candles, a placemat, and some corn may be seen. People have big feasts, gifts, and lots of fun. Families celebrate unity and working for the good of everyone. Important words. Kanara. A candle holder, 1 black, 3 red, and 3 green candle. Symbol of Kwanzaa. Nkeka. A straw mat that the Kanara is placed on. Umoja means unity. Kujichagulia means self-determination. Umoja means collective work and responsibility. Ujima means collective work and responsibility. Ujama means cooperative work and economics. Nia means purpose. Kumba means creativity. Mani means faith. Karamu, Kwanzaa feast held on day 6, which is Kaumba. Kala, a traditional African game, also known as Mancala.
Oh, we're going to be playing that today too. Well, we're going to light this candle in the name of Umoja. In the name of unity.
Beautiful.
Unity. Unity is an important part of African American community and family. We work better together. Have you noticed the need for unity in your community, neighborhood, or home? What role do you play in helping to promote unity in these places?
Might help by helping people. Trash. Like if they need help with something. Like I just help Vanna.
I'm the one that does.
I help my family by just seeing what they do. Sous chef and some other stuff I just want to help them with.
Yeah. So see you tomorrow with Kuji Chakalia.
So
Happy Kwanzaa!
Happy Kwanzaa!